magna cum laude, Master of Public Works and Contractor with Academic Excellence Award goes to
Kong Roman Romulo of Pasig City, Kong Jojo Ang of Uswag Ilonggo Party List, Congressman Patrick Michael Vargas of Quezon City, Kong Juan Carlos Arjo Aitayde of Quezon City, Nicanor Nicky Briones of AGA Party List, Congressman Marcelino Marcy Teodoro of Marikina, Congressman Florida Robes of San Jose del Monte, Bulacan, Congressman Eleandro Jesus Madroño of Romblon, Congressman Benjamin Benji Agarao Jr., Congressman Florencio Gabriel Bemnoel of Anwaray Party List, Kong Leo de Ode Tariela of Occidental Mindoro, Congressman Reynan Arrogancia of Quezon City, Quezon Province, Kong Marvin Rillo of Quezon City, Kong Teodoro Haresco of Aklan, Kong Antonieta Yudela of Sambuanga, Sibugay, Kong Dean Asisio of Caloocan, Kong Marivico Pilar of Quezon City.